Welcome back! Just so you know, you are still my favorite cyber scholar. Grab a drink, your mouse, or any gadget you fancy, because the next two sessions are all about magically grabbing elements. Let me show you how. Introduction to Magic Grab. Magic Grab is a remarkable tool that lets you make images editable with content fill awareness. This tool harnesses the power of AI to identify the main object within a photo and then seamlessly separates it from the background. What's truly magical about this is that the AI not only extracts the object, but also intelligently selects and blends replacement pixels to fill the space where the object was. This ensures there are no unsightly voids when you move the image around or separate it from the background. Accessing Magic Grab. To access the Magic Grab feature, start by selecting the image you want to edit on your Design Editor page. As you click on the image, the Editing tab will conveniently appear above your design canvas. Click on the Edit Photo option, and this is where the magic truly begins. Initiating Magic Grab. Upon clicking Edit Photo, you'll see a range of magical editing tools revealed. Among them, you'll find the enchanting Magic Grab tool. As soon as you select this AI-powered tool, it works its wizardry on your chosen image. Witness the magic. The AI tool instantly begins processing the image you've chosen and elegantly separate it from its background, giving you the freedom to move the object about, resize, or delete. Unleash your creativity. This feature is perfect for those times when you want to use the main subject of a photo in various ways within your design. That's it for this grabbing session, but don't go too far. There's more to be grabbed when I see you on the next session. Thank you for sticking with me on this magical course.